I have a little kitty with me on my lap. Give you a little preview. Look at him. I'll go ahead and start with my eyebrows. Personally, I like to start with my eyebrows first, just because then it allows me to do concealer, and then I'll do my eyeshadow second. And if there's any fallout on the cheeks, it won't ruin the foundation. I could just wipe it off real quick. So that's how I like to do it. There's no right or wrong way to do foundation first or eyebrows first. I know there's debate going around it, but it really doesn't matter. It's personal preference. So first I'm going to be going in with some Pomade Anastasia. And then I'll bring it up to the front lightly. Try to get these even as possible. So the concealer that I use to cut my eyebrows, I've been using it for a very long time, so it's almost gone. It's old packaging. It is by Benefit Cosmetics, and it's the Blank Concealer, the industrial strength. So you can see that it's basically gone, and I'm scavenging the edges. I've had this for a very long time, and I didn't use it. I basically slept on it, you know? And then I used it one day to cut my eyebrows, and I've been using it since. And I'm sad that it's almost gone because I'm gonna have to buy a new one. And I'm sure they still have this kind, it's just a different packaging. I used the Tarte Shape Tape. I want to try the Jeffree Star concealer, but it's all sold out. So I'll go ahead and take the same angled brush that I used for my eyebrows, and I'll get some concealer. That's a lot. Because the tube's almost gone, I stick the brush down there. And I like to use the lightest shade I can, just because if you're going to be using colors, it helps them pop more. So I always use some sort of wet base on the eye. So we'll go ahead and get those creases out. So first I'm going to go ahead and take a smaller fluffy brush so I can fit it into the crease. And we are going to go in with Androgyny right here. And this is the Jeffree Star palette. And then I will also be going in with the BH Cosmetics palette with the purple in the corner. And I bring my crease up a little bit just because I have hooded eyes, so when I open them you can't see it. And I'll go in with this pink. And I'll go ahead and put it on top of the blend. I'll go back in to the purple and the BH Cosmetics palette. Okay, so I'm rude to myself and I don't charge my camera when it needs to be, so it died a little bit and I charged it for a second and I went ahead and I finished this eye. Well, not finished, but apply. So blending is the key for any color. Neutral, bright, all about the blending. And I'll go in with the pink and then I'll go back in with the dark just to make sure. So I'm gonna go back in with that concealer that we used before, and I'm gonna take it on this round, flat, small brush. So I'm choosing the Zodiac palette. Love signs. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that light pink Scorpio, that glitter one, and put it on the lid. It's kind of like a purple pink. Small fluffy with the purple. So I just went ahead and I cut this side of the crease with the concealer. With a little brush, I'll go in with the pink and the purple. And you see how it just cleans up that harshness. But people stare at me all the time. Like, I'm sorry, you've never seen a goddess before. Fuck. I added some glitter liner up top. I packed the glitter onto my lid. I can't remember where the video stopped. But this is my final look. But again, thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate it.